Many people are a bit scared of starting on Amazon, sort of starting something new. So what would you say to those people?
I would say it's like anything. You've got this comfort zone, which we all know that we have. And when you stay in that little bubble, in that comfort zone, you're going to do well. You're going to do okay. Your comfort zone is over here, but where the money is over here. You have to get uncomfortable. You have to break out of that bubble, out of that comfort zone bubble, and start working on over here. And I had to learn to do that. Now, this was back in 2015. One of the things that took me out of my comfort zone was taking money that I've been earning from my network marketing business that I've built up and starting Amazon. That was way out of my comfort zone, but I was willing to take the risk, and I was willing to lose some money to give it a shot. And I figured if I didn't give it a shot, I would never know what could actually become of it. So fear plays a huge part. Getting out of your comfort zone plays a huge part. You've got to learn to break those barriers, and then you'll find success on the other side.
Yeah, I think that's very true. You need, as you say, you need to be out of your comfort zone to find the opportunities. And I think the more that you do it as well, you become more familiar, more comfortable with being outside the comfort zone. Yeah, it's
even 7 years later, I still do things that take me out of my comfort zone, as regarding Amazon and buying inventory in bulk from a new distributor or a new wholesaler. Hoping things go well, spending a couple $1,000s, which, can be lost in a heartbeat. So I still take those risks. I still get sometimes butterflies in the stomach when I'm making big decisions, but I know that I've got to keep breaking through that.
And you do it anyway. Yeah, very, very good. Thank you. Thank you.